Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a video for you on how I'm using my Wallflower Hobo this weekend. I recently got this on the BST in a trade. I've been wanting one for a while, so I've kept my eye out and I finally found one. And I'm so happy I got it because it is so pretty in real life. I do have the B set in this as well, which I really do like. So this is just packed up. We're going to a friend's tonight and we don't need to take much stuff. We don't need like food or drinks or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how I have it packed up. I have kept the original strap on here for now. I do have a navy blue seatbelt strap that I could put on here if I wanted to change it up, I guess. Nothing in these side bottle pockets because we just don't need drinks or anything, and nothing in that back change pad pocket. I would put my phone either into there or into one of these side pockets. I have a hand sanitizer on here, and in the cell phone pocket all I have is a little coin purse in the Nantucket with coins in, and Nantucket looks great with Wallflower. It looks so pretty. I also have the B set in Nantucket, which I think is going to look fabulous with this in the summer. So that's what is in there. And over in the front mummy pocket, I have a coin purse in Sakura at Dusk that is actually empty right now, and my Be Rich wallet, which again looks really good with this. And then in the inside, I don't have it overly packed. Now the Wallflower has this kind of like peachy pink with black polka dots. It's actually really pretty. Nice and bright, so you're going to be able to see your stuff easily in there. I don't have anything in that back zipper pocket. There are two mesh pockets, and the mesh on these are navy blue, which I did not realise. For some reason I thought they were black, but I'm so happy that it's navy blue. I have a custom little medikit in here that was made by Zippity Sew Customs in Sakura at Dusk, and that just has a bunch of mummy things in there. Nail file, hand cream, lip stuff, mints, just that kind of stuff that I've just kept in there. Over in this back mesh pocket I have the small set piece in Wallflower, and that has charger stuff for my phone. I don't go anywhere without this just because we live in the country and it's, you know, quite a drive to get somewhere, so it's always good to have that backup battery. Over in the front zipper pocket here I just put my sunglasses, and this mesh pocket right here I have a small set piece in Nantucket, and that just has tissues and throat lozenges in there. And then I have the medium set piece in Sakura at Dusk, and this is just my med kit right now. There's actually not, this is me with a really light med kit because there's not much in there. It's usually quite packed, but I've used a lot of it recently, so I do really need to refill that. And then I have a booty pod with some wipes in. Don't ever go anywhere without these either because we always use wipes. These are mainly for in the car tonight. I do get one child that does get travel sick sometimes, so we always have to have wipes. And then last of all I have the large set piece in here. No, sorry, it's a Be Quick, not a large set piece, and this is in the Heartbreak. Really pretty vibrant print. I really like this. It has the black hardware. I just think it looks so pretty. The colours are great in it, and I really like it in this bag too. And in here I just have pyjamas and a pull-up, so when we leave I can put my youngest into her pull-up and pyjamas, and if she falls asleep tonight in the car on the way home, it's no big deal. We can hopefully put her straight into bed. So that is how I'm using it, and as you can see, the Hobo you can easily fit the Be Quick in there. It fits quite nicely. Now if you're going out for the day and you're taking like food, drinks and stuff, it may be a bit tighter depending on what you carry, but you can easily fit quite a few diapers and extra wipes and change clothes. The Hobo for a small bag is actually a very roomy bag. So yeah, that's how I'm using my Hobo tonight, and if you have any questions please put them in the comment box below, and thanks for watching.